Form 6 Pearl from Poddar International School. Today I am going to show you how to make wall drawing paintings to make your home more attractive and beautiful. The materials required are: we will need one newspaper, and in newspaper like this board or any board you can take, but it should be hard. You don't have to take this title, you have to cut this, and this picture also you have to take this much only, this much writings, no picture and no headings. Brushes, glue, water and poster colors, but in the poster colors you need only black color. Let's start. Take this glue and pour some water in it and mix it properly. Mix it properly. You need to cut like this. You have to paste it like this. Take this and do here and stick on that. And you need to do half part here like this to do like this. After doing this all in front side, we have to put the remaining part like this, paste glue on it, and here also. And do here like this. Now after completing, I am making two. Okay, I have made two, and then after doing this, leave it for drying. You can leave it for drying at a speed of 5 fan or in sunlight. Okay. If you don't know how much water we will need to put, if we are putting this and you don't know how much water we are needing, so you can do one thing. If you have an empty bottle of Fevicols, then there is little Fevicol in it. So you can pour water in this and shake it, and then you can do like this. It's simple way. Now I am going to make the drawing on this. You can make any drawing, but you have to make with black pen. You can take paintbrush also, and take that and then draw. If it will be here also, any problem will be there, no? So I am drawing with sketch pen. See. Like this, first branch I have drawn, and then here also down. And then here one leaf, and then now here one, and like this here, and And then I will draw this hole like this, but front. I have drawn with sketch pen, but it is looking very light. So I am just bordering it like this. I have made this, and then I will make this 3 strips, and then after making this I will color this and stick on this. Now we have to do like this here. And press it. Now this is completed. Leave it for drying, then see your drawing is very beautiful and attractive. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my video.